So first and foremost, always think beyond gender. Most people, when they implement diversity in the workplace, they think it's about getting more women in the workplace. It's always a good thing to think about that, but please do think about other unrepresented groups as well. People from different backgrounds, from different culture, different color, different language, people who are from different LGBTQ community. Think about everyone. Number two, think of not just as a good thing to do by implementing DEI. DEI is also a business ROI. If you have an inclusive and open culture, people stay longer. So it's a win-win for both. Number three, don't forget to measure. So whenever you are doing a DEI implementation, whether it's a workshop, whether you are writing a good policy, for example, do a quick calculation. Look at it, how many people are leaving the organization and how many people are staying. So do a good quick measure of how many people you're recruiting, how many people you are actually getting to retain. Number four, don't stop at one workshop. Always make sure that you continue the conversation beyond just that one unconscious bias workshop or one sexual harassment workshop. Always have internal conversation anytime you are having a meeting, anytime you have a town hall, for example. And number five, always remember, there is no such thing that we are a small company, we cannot do DEI. Any company, no matter which stage you are a 20 people, 50 people, 100 people company, there's always something that you can do. So it's never too small to start your DEI journey.